The Wheel of Life consists of 8 major sections: health, personal growth, money or finances, physical environment, fun or social life, career or business, love or partner, and friends or family. To use this tool for mapping your current situation, all you have to do is to fill the small lines in each section. Each section is divided into 10 parts, indicating 1 as the lowest and 10 as the highest score. You have to mark each area based on how satisfied you feel about that life aspect. Sometimes we have so much on our mind that it's difficult to decide what to write and how to initiate the process of journaling. In such situations, guided journal prompts are very helpful. The Wheel of Life is an example of such prompts, which is a great self-assessment tool to map the current situation of our overall life. It is used by professional coaches to visualize the overall life situation of a coachee to help them set goals and their next action plans. It is a really useful tool because it helps us to see the bigger picture of our life and reminds us about all the important life aspects that should be included in our focus. Because in order for us to be truly satisfied and fulfilled in our life, we need to have an assessment of all the important areas of our life, like our health, finances, relationships, etc., so that we can work on the areas if any of them show the least progress. The Wheel of Life, as shown in the picture, typically consists of 8 major sections, indicating the important areas of humans' life. These areas include health, personal growth, money or finances, physical environment, fun or social life, career or business, love or partner, and friends or family. In no fixed order. These 8 areas of life are direct reflection of an individual's personal values. Therefore, the section labels can be different. Now, in order to use this tool for mapping your current situation, all you have to do is to fill the small lines in each section. You can use different colors to make it more fun. You can take a print of the diagram to fill it manually, or you can edit it online. Each section is divided into 10 parts, indicating 1 as the lowest and 10 as the highest score. You have to mark each area based on how satisfied you feel about that life aspect. Start by reflecting on your current life situations and come up with an honest score in each section. The key is to follow your instincts and give yourself the score that you feel represents the actual reality. This is your self-assessment and nobody is going to see your results or judge you on this. So give yourself the honest numbers. Once you feel your assigned score actually show your current situation, fill the number of lines in each section. For example, if I feel very satisfied about the section fun or social life, I will give myself a 9 or 10 and fill all the lines in that section. Another example, if I feel my career or business needs improvement, I can give myself a 6 depending upon how bad is it going according to me. Finally, you can highlight the areas with the lowest score so that you can start to work on them and make a plan of how to improve that area. As an example, I have filled the Wheel of Life based on my current life situation. We can always come back to it and revise the score if we feel that we have made some progress in a certain area. How often you fill it will depend on your personal preferences. I like to fill it once a year while making my New Year resolutions, so that I set my goals based on the mapping of my current life situation from this tool. The results from this tool are a good starting point for you to set goals in your life and work on improving the aspects you decide. If you think most of the areas have low scores, then as the starting point, you can select 1 or 2 areas where you think it's easier for you to make quick progress so that you can build momentum and work slowly. Don't make the process very overwhelming by trying to improve everything at the same time. Otherwise, you might give up and fall back to living the same dissatisfied life and not make any improvements at all. Remember to make the process enjoyable and take baby steps in the direction of your desired goals. That's it for today. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye for now.